this is Mahesh. Today we are going to continue the ratios continuation, which is nothing but alligation mixers. You might know what is mixers. Am I right? Okay, let's get started. What is mixers? So in everyday's life, we are saying the mixers, like nothing but when you buy milk. So in that milk, water is mixed. You know, right? Yeah. Same kind, a lot of products are mixed with other products like pepper with papaya seeds and so on. So on the same time, same kind of product itself mixed with different qualities. For example, if there is a sugar with which costs 40 rupees, if there is a sugar which costs 50 rupees, they are mixing both together to give some other rate like 46 rupees, 48 rupees to get gain. So these kind of mixers are there. So we are going to see all those mixers here. Okay, let's get started. The first thing is what kind of problems will be asked using alligation and mixer. We are going to use, this is the formula throughout the alligation mixer, least value, highest value, average value. You have to subtract this. So I will explain that later, which is nothing but you will have two different values and one average value in every question. If you have that, you have to take and fix that all in their according positions, and then you have to get the answer. Okay, let's come here. So first type of question is two or more solid varieties mixed together to get the new variety. Example, sugar 1 is mixed with sugar 2 to get a mixture of sugar 3. We'll come to this diagram later. So there are two kinds of sugars, as I already told you, two kinds of sugars out there. They are mixing both the sugars together to get the new sugar, sugar 3, by selling that sugar 3 between the amount of sugar 1 and sugar 2. They can't cost that sugar 3 more than the first one, so the highest one, less than the least one, because they have to get some profit in that. So they will fix the rate between those two prices, sugar 1 and sugar 2. That is the mixer, which is average price. So you have to fix according to that. Okay. Come to the next kind of questions. What is next kind of questions? Two or more liquid varieties mixed together to get a new variety. Nothing but milk and water. We know that. A lot of people know that alcohol and water. Am I right? That is also mixing, right? Yeah. Even that also will be there in the questions. Okay. This is mixer. And the third type of questions is two or more mixers mixed together to get a new mixture. It's already mixed. Okay, for example, Arokya and Avin. So Arokya milk is mixed with some other ratio. Avin milk is mixed with some other ratio. So if you mix Avin and Arokya milk together, then you will get a new mixture. That kind of questions will be solved. Mixer 1 and mixer 2 contain milk and water in the ratio ASB and CSD respectively. Both the mixtures are mixed to get new mixture of milk and water in the ratio ASTF. Okay, when you mix, you will get a different ratio. Am I right? Okay, done. These three kind of questions will be solved using this formula. What is this formula? This formula is nothing but you will have three values. Am I right? You will have three values. Mixer 1's cost, mixer 2's cost, and mixer 3 cost in case of this. Sugar 1 cost, sugar 2 cost, and mixer cost in case of this. Milk cost and water cost in case of this. Water may be free, it's 0 rupees. In some places, water is cost. Am I right? Yeah, that's it. You have to fix the rate, and then mixer is, after mixing milk and water, you will get certain amount. So that amount is to be fixed here in the mixer's place. Am I right? Done. Come here. Least value and highest value, average value. You will have three values, right? In a question, you will have three values. You have to take the least value left side, and then highest value in the right side, average in the middle, down. Okay, least value, highest value, average value, like this, exactly like this. Okay, when you place, you can find the ratio of the mixing ratio. So highest value and average value, as you subtract highest value minus average value, highest minus average will be placed here, and then average minus least will be placed here. Why highest minus average is? Highest is above the average. Am I right? Yeah. You have to subtract from this. This is nothing but you have to find out the difference between them. You should not worry about minus plus. Difference between them. Yeah. This is also what is the difference between them. Will come here. When you find out, the ratio will be there. In this case, sugar 1 costs 1340 rupees. Take sugar 1 costs 40 rupees and sugar 2 costs 50 rupees. By mixing, the sugar 3 costs rupees 46 rupees. I have to fix amount between these two because I should not get lost. So what is the difference between these two? 4 will be there. What is the difference between these two? 40, 46. The difference is 6. So ratio is 2:3. Cancelling this you will get 2. Cancelling this you will get 3. So the ratio is 2:3, which is nothing but 2 kg of minimum of. So what is ratio? Minimum integer value. Minimum integer comparison is ratio. We know that, right? Okay. 2 kg of sugar 1 is mixed with 3 kg of sugar 2 to get 5 kg of sugar 3 mixture costs rupees 46. That's it. When come to here, milk is mixed with water to get a new mixture. If milk costs 10 rupees, so that is not true. I'm just taking it as an example. Okay, milk costs rupees 10 and water costs rupees 0. I'm mixing these two and giving the milk for 8 rupees. So what is the ratio here? So 8 will come here, 0 and 8, the difference is 8, and 10 and 8, the difference is 2. So ratio is 8:2, which is nothing but 4:1, which means for every 4 liters of milk, I am mixing 1 liter water. That is the actual meaning. This is the ratio of mixing. How many liters of water is mixed? In this case, how many kgs of sugar is mixed? In this case, you will get ratio value. While solving an example, you will know this. Okay? So, you need to know one formula, least value, highest value, average in the middle. What you are finding, difference between these two will be placed here, difference between these two will be placed here, opposite sides. Okay? That is what important. So, next, one last thing is there. So, 3 types we have mentioned here. These 3 types of the things are used this formula, and then 4th one, which is different, which is nothing but 100% pure liquid is replaced by certain liquid repeatedly to get the new mixture. So pure milk is there in a can. I am mixing some water. Okay, I am replacing some liquids from that and replacing the equal amount of the liquid to that can. Okay, I am doing this process repeatedly, twice or thrice or more than that times. In that case, at the end of the process, what is the liquids ratio inside the can? Okay, milk and water. In this case, milk and water. Or else, what is the percentage of milk inside there? What is the original milk's quantity in that can? Maybe the question. Okay, here example. See the example. 50 liters can contains 50 liters pure milk, which is replaced by 5 liter water after removing 5 liters from the can. This process repeated twice to get the new mixture. Very simple. 50 liter can is there, out of which full of pure milk is there. I am replacing 5 liters of milk with 5 liters of water. I am doing that again. If you are doing the second time, if you are removing 5 liters in the second time, do you get exactly pure 5 liter milk in the second process? No, we will not get, because it's already 5 liter water mixed inside it. Okay, so you will not get it. So second time you will get different amount of milk and water based on the ratio of milk and water inside the can. Okay, so this process, when you have like this, how will you solve? There is one formula for this. So quantity of pure milk after this process, quantity of pure milk after this process, A minus B divided by A whole power n into A. So A is nothing but the number of liters, 50 liters in the beginning, and then B is nothing but removing. How many liters you are removing? 50 liters is there, I am removing 5 liters divided by filling 50 liters whole power. How many times I am doing this? I am repeating this twice. Twice means number of times. N is number of times. I am repeating this twice. So power 2. If this is for 3 times, you have to use power 3. And then 50 is the number of liters at the beginning. So when you solve this, you will get the value of quantity of pure milk. Okay, these 4 kinds only we will use, and the same time ratio. If you haven't watched the ratio video, then you must know ratio before get into the problems. Okay, go watch the ratio video and then come back here. That's all here.